Hi friends! Today we'll take a look at DIY projects, inventions, life hacks, and work processes, simple ideas that really work. A demonstration of a clamp that allows you to conveniently lift and carry several bricks with one hand. The process of cutting fabric for future leggings using a handheld rotary cutter. A man is installing a retractable safety gate in a doorway so that the dog doesn't run out of the house. A homemade motorcycle-based vehicle with attached barrel floats allowing movement through shallow water and flooded fields. A worker uses a manual molding machine to shape clay slabs, turning them into curved roof tiles. An automated machine attaches pearls to fabric, embroidering a floral pattern. Sifting soil through a special hand-operated rotating sieve mounted on a wheelbarrow. A compact tracked loader quickly rolls out turf evenly. Operation of an automated line for packing colored pencils into cardboard boxes. Demonstration of a method to neatly remove spilled sauce from a table surface without using a cloth. A tractor chops corn stalks and blows them into a truck. Workers devised a mechanism using a shovel to transfer sand from the ground into a wheelbarrow. A man transports a huge pile of watermelons on a motorized cart. An excavator digs a trench in the lawn, turning the soil inside out. The machine cuts thin wooden sheets into small sticks for ice cream. A person tapes a spatula to the sole of a sneaker with painter's tape to quickly scrape cement off the floor. A cone attachment on a brush cutter quickly digs neat, deep holes in the soil. Using a flexible silicone suction holder to store a sauce bottle upside down in the refrigerator, a worker feeds a sheet of metal through a machine that applies a corrugated pattern. Demonstration of the laminar water flow effect from a tank where the stream appears motionless. Operation of an industrial machine for quickly peeling persimmons. One person makes holes in the garden bed using a special multi-point tool, while another plants the seedlings. Demonstration of a super strong sealant that instantly stops water leaking from a damaged container. An industrial machine slices meat into thin rolls. A machine with a rotating belt polishes a rusty metal pipe to a shiny finish. A complex floral pattern is applied to denim fabric using a laser. A laser engraves a detailed image of an ancient figure onto the surface of a stone. A plastic mold is placed on a growing pumpkin, causing the fruit to grow into that shape. The process of extruding dough through small holes followed by cutting. A worker manually fills a mold with the mixture, compacts it, and removes the finished concrete block. An industrial machine compresses a bundle of copper wires, creating a solid connection. A builder constructs a wall from textured transparent glass blocks using adhesive sealant. Pouring and neatly leveling construction mortar on a surface. Operation of a powerful hydraulic chipper, turning a tree stump in the forest into wood chips. An industrial vegetable cutter quickly shreds cabbage heads into even pieces. A person uses a trimmer and a blower to create a perfectly even tree cut around the tree. A specialized transplanting machine lowers a large fir tree into a pre-prepared hole. Shredding a cabbage head in a bucket using a drill with a special blade attachment. A man quickly drills a deep, even hole in the ground using an auger on a wheeled chassis. Inside the greenhouse, a fire is lit to melt snow on the roof. A mechanical device for quickly and evenly cutting young coconuts. A person uses a wide squeegee to remove excess water from the surface of a tennis court. Laying rolled turf on a site using a mini tractor. Pouring a concrete mix onto a reinforced slab. Demonstration of a hidden stone door that blends perfectly into the wall. Tightening huge bolts at the base of a support using a rope and a metal lever. Cutting a rectangular groove in a wooden beam using a mortising machine. Making fuel briquettes from cow dung for a stove. The process of vacuum forming a large hemispherical shape from red transparent plastic. Fitting special protective boots on a horse's hooves instead of traditional horseshoes. A specialized machine folds and compresses old tires for further recycling or transportation. Shredding corn stalks into green biomass using a specialized shredder. A person uses a roller to apply black paint to the raised characters of a car license plate. Guy made a corn peeler from a drill and bike wheel. A CNC machine cuts a perfectly round recess into an octagonal wooden workpiece. A robotic arm layers a clay mixture, constructing a house wall with an unusual texture. An excavator scoops water from a pond and pours it into the tank of a water-spraying vehicle. A man made a protective helmet from a cardboard box and a smartphone, using the phone's camera to watch the welding process. Sowing grass seed with a spreader. A man crosses a flooded street using two stools as stilts to keep his feet dry. A plastic bottle is slowly pulled into the powerful teeth of a shredder. A powerful hydraulic press bends a thick metal plate at an angle. Workers on a conveyor manually assemble and glue gift boxes. A triangle of dough passes through rollers and is automatically shaped into a perfect croissant. A tractor removes the old rubber surface from a stadium running track, rolling it up into a coil. Industrial stripping of insulation from a thick multi-core cable. A machine portions and seals pasta into clear bags. A truck with a mechanical arm picks up and mounts a spare wheel onto the side of a vehicle. An old tractor tire is turned into a mobile livestock feeder. It rolls across the field, gradually dispensing grain, while cows follow it. Using special tools, layers of snow are easily shaved off the roofs of private houses. The craftsman quickly and precisely joins two metal profile tubes using a laser welding machine. A worker wearing special boots with wide, flat soles walks on freshly laid asphalt to compact and level the surface. The craftsman uses a special tool to cut a square hole in the wall, then perfectly fits an electrical box into it. Paving slabs are lifted and removed from underneath using a special mechanism that moves beneath the surface. A mechanized chute feeds watermelons, which break at the end so a herd of cows can enjoy them. An industrial hydraulic press compresses a large number of empty aluminum cans into a compact rectangular block for recycling. Grooming a horse to remove excess hair using a metal scraper. A worker fills a mold with clay, tightly packing it, and then places the finished brick on the ground to dry. The operation of an automatic machine that straps boxes with adhesive tape. A manual machine quickly bends metal wire into neat loops. An industrial machine shapes and dispenses ready-made burger patties onto a conveyor. A motorized machine evenly spreads sand over the grass. A robotic arm screws caps onto plastic jerry cans. Installing a special locking cap on a plastic bottle. A homemade sink strainer is made from a plastic bottle to catch food scraps. Metal parts are welded in a container filled with water, which prevents overheating and deformation. A person uses a powerful handheld tool with a semicircular blade that instantly cuts through thick tree stems. Two workers quickly fill a mesh bag with potatoes, using a plastic bucket as a guiding funnel. A machine with a circular saw automatically trims the edges of a large stack of wooden boards, leveling them. The process of spot welding metal handles to a pot body on industrial equipment. A rotating brush cleans moss and dirt from paving slabs. The process of winding cotton candy onto a stick and subsequently packing it in a clear bag. Milling leftover wood on a site using a compact disc-type tool. Demonstration of a handy device that fits onto a roll and allows paper to be cut evenly in a single motion. Operation of a specialized machine for cleaning weeds and dirt from tile joints. A New Year's tree ornament is sprinkled with glitter for beauty. A large saw spins rapidly, cutting off the excess part of concrete steps. Using a bandsaw, bundles of cinnamon sticks are cut into even pieces. Demonstration of a water tap that is opened and closed using a key lock. Operation of an automatic machine for portioning and packing colorful candies into clear bags. An industrial machine automatically sews a leather pocket onto a base following a preset contour. Removing old ceramic tiles from a wall using an electric demolition hammer. The pizza is cut into slices using an angle grinder. A painter uses an attachment with 3 rollers at once to quickly cover a large wall area. The process of finished decorative profiles coming out of a molding machine. An agricultural machine picks up a large pile of corn cobs from the ground and conveys them into the truck bed. An automatic machine applies cement to a wall, perfectly leveling the surface as it moves upward. Using a special attachment for fast and precise cutting of corrugated metal sheets. Sorting fruit by size using inclined guides. The process of making a car mat using vacuum, forming from sheet material. Dirt is washed off a concrete surface with a powerful jet of water, revealing geometric patterns. A man showcases a compact folding ladder that fits snugly against the wall when folded. The craftsman uses a broad axe to carve grooves in a massive wooden beam for joinery. An automatic line for filling vegetable oil into large plastic bottles. Bending a nail into a neat loop using a simple manual machine. A mechanical weeder is used to pull weeds from the ground, uprooting them with a single press of the leg. A person uses a special shovel to make a cut in the turf, inserts a young shoot, and presses the soil down. A harvester cuts lettuce and delivers it to workers via a conveyor for packing. An industrial press stamps and stretches a metal sheet, turning it into expanded metal mesh. High-pressure water from a special nozzle washes away soil to create a trench or foundation. A powerful hydraulic grab on an excavator easily uproots stumps with roots. Operation of a semi-automatic machine that quickly and neatly folds clothes for packaging. A rotating blade in a bucket is used for quickly grinding green leaves. The worker pours paint into a special stencil to create markings on the asphalt. A mini loader with a milling attachment breaks up old asphalt.